everybody, this is Praxis, and I'm here working on the second leg of the woodshed. You can see back behind you over to your left, there's a lolly column coming up out of the ground. I trimmed the excess off of the top of it. The pins in there, it seemed like it set up fine last night. And I've started doing the meticulous work of figuring out where all the other legs are. That one was pretty easy. I just dug a hole and I put it in, and everything else has to reference off of that. And it's difficult because I had a plan that it was going to be a 16 foot by 7 foot, and then I extended it to 8 foot because I realized that it would work fine that way. So anyway, 16 by 8 foot footprint of it. But once I get into the ground, the ground has a vote on it too. This corner here, there's this large rock here, and then there's other rock here. I don't want to put the footing right on top of this rock because this one here, it seems more like it's frost heavable. This one beneath it seems like it's probably more stable. So what I've decided to do is extend the thing to be 17 feet wide by 8 feet. And it's just difficult because you constantly kind of have to keep jockeying. I haven't dug for the fourth corner yet, but we'll see. I mean, the ground definitely gets its vote. So what I'm doing right now, I got this dug into. I washed off the stone, and what I want to do is I want to install these in the stone. These are just a couple pieces of metal. I had a really great piece of rebar scrap that I really would have loved to have used for this, but I can't find it at this point. It was like a foot-long piece that I just, I found it out in the woods or something a while ago. These are the pins from lolly columns. It's from a set of lolly columns I think I'll probably never use, and if I do ever want to use them, hell, I could get a piece of rebar and use that instead as the pin there. But I'm going to be putting these into the rock kind of like claws. So when I set the column here, it's on this slope. I want it to be able to grab a little bit better. So I'm going to be drilling into the stone and hammering these guys in. As you guys know who've been watching the series, these 360 videos only have a 5-minute run. I don't think we'll get to see the whole thing. But I thought you might appreciate seeing me try to go through the stone. I've never used an impact drill through stone before. I suppose all stone is different. We'll see how well it works. I mean, I've never done this before. I've always used it for concrete. I'm sure there's softer stones and harder stones, and I guess I'm just hoping I can get into this one. This bit is about the size of these, and then I'll just use a sledgehammer to get in the rest of the way. So without further blabbing, how do I rotate that? I think this would be easier if it was off to the side like that. We got some mosquitoes here. All right, so I'm just gonna begin. Here we go. This is gonna go really easily. This is a soft stone. Here we go. Wow, that's really easy. You know what I think I might do in addition to these, because this is so easy, I might just make some holes throughout the rock so that the concrete can grab in. I don't think that'll be worth too much. Maybe I can shove some wires and stuff in. Wow, this is really going easily. I don't know what kind of rock this is, but it drills pretty sweet. Let's see. And yeah, those are just going to fit in. Wow. Every once in a while, my plan actually works out. You guys who watch the series, it's usually not this easy. Usually it's like, damn it, there's like, there's high iron content in this rock or something. But for once, it actually happened really easily. I'm waiting for the other shoe to drop. Okay, that's it. Thanks for watching.